So, who loves coconut shrimp? I do. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you to my future subscribers. So, as you can see, I'm making coconut shrimp. I used large tiger shrimp with the tail on. 3/4 cups of flour, a couple of eggs. I seasoned that flour with a little salt and black pepper and some Asian Explosion seasoning by Chris Cooks Crazy. Look him up. I'll have his link below as well. His seasoning is amazing. So, with the eggs, incorporate the seasonings into the flour. Then, panko breadcrumbs. And to that, you're going to add sweetened coconut flakes, which you can find anywhere. But be sure they are sweetened because they also have unsweetened. And these shrimps came out absolutely amazing. I love seafood and I love shrimp. So if you're like me, you're gonna love this recipe. Please let me know if you make it. Then you're gonna grab your shrimp by the tail and start dipping first in the flour, then in the egg, and then in that panko and coconut mix, and set aside on a wire rack. The oil is heating up while I'm making this. Since I don't have a thermometer yet, I just went the old school way to tell if the oil was hot enough just by waiting. That's how it's done. Then we're gonna fry up these babies. These make for great appetizers or main course. I made a chili and honey sauce, hot chili sauce. And I added more honey than the chili, of course. And that came out amazing when dipped in that sauce. So here we go. Fry them up. As soon as you see that they're getting pink on the one side, flip them over. Don't want to cook them too long. Very, very delicate. Put them on a paper towel to absorb the excess oils. And there you have it. My delicious coconut shrimp. Please let me know if you make them. Have a great week ahead. And hit that notification bell. Thank you.